Hello, my name is Brian, and this is going to be the maintenance app phase 4. So, phase 4 essentially is connecting our database, our SQL database. So, I use SQLite. Um, the way I managed to accomplish that was connection was to use the connection manager right here, uh, essentially setting the pathway to our actual database, and then our customer DAO is how the program is going to interact with that actual database. So I wanted to do it a little bit different. Um, so I'm going to launch the actual program through PowerShell. So right here, that's my PowerShell. So let's go Java, that jar, and that's the file drive. Okay, so as you can see right here, it launched our GUI. So let's go ahead and look for our project. So MaintenanceApp has four. So my database is going to be on the net on the data. It's going to be called MaintenanceApp database. Go ahead and open it. Once you open it, we get the GUI just like we had last time, right? So these are the same samples that I've been working with throughout the whole process. So let's go ahead and add a new uh, phone number there. Let's do 321 340 9090. Alexis, 123 Utah Drive, Washington. Okay, Alexis at mail.college.edu. Let's go ahead and save that. As you can see, we can still add, excuse me, we can add new customers. We could go ahead and update it. So let's change the name to Hank, right? And then we're going to change our email address as well to reflect our new name. So, bam, we were able to do that. So our live search is still working properly. So this is our only 321 number, so it shows up pretty quickly. But you could search any of these numbers here, and I should tell you. Excuse me. So our log still functions the same way as before, so it keeps track of any and all changes that we have inputted into the GUI. You could go ahead and clear the log now, right? You could go ahead and export. So we're going to put back up the presentation. We're going to ahead, excuse me, we're going to go ahead and export uh, all our customers in our database right now. And it's still going to bring up our Excel file with all our customers and the one that we just added right here, right? So let's go ahead and close this out. so, so we can still add, update. Now let's go ahead and delete, right? So let's delete a couple of them. So as you can see, we deleted some of our customers, and our log is keeping track of what we're deleting. Now, I still kept uh, the feature that we could load, right? So we could load from a backup or a Excel file just in case there's an issue, just in case the program goes down and that the database gets blanked out. we can still back up our database from one of our files that we have exported before. So once we hit that, it's going to tell you the total of customers that we add, how many we added, excuse me, how many we added from what we have, how many we have updated, right? And how many we have skipped. So it tells you right here at the log, just like before, uh, what we loaded from our backup. And then it just essentially updates that database back to our original customer uh, list that we had, including the new customer that we just added during this presentation. So essentially, the GUI and our program is working just like before. The only difference is that it's now connected to that database, and it's easier to store a mass amount of information. We still kept that export all. That way we could manipulate the data for reports in the future. And that's pretty much it for this phase of our program. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.